Here are the new floor plans by Transcend. We're looking at the 315 RKT. Really cool floor plan. It has gotten a lot more open inside of this one. There's some great features to love about it. First off, as you can see, the outdoor kitchen here. So really nice griddle and your outdoor fridge with this really big awning that is covering it. As we come inside, you're gonna notice how open this floor plan is. You got a really cool booth that is in an L shape, and then kitchen that wraps around with a ton of features. So there's so much counter space, nice big pantry, and then a really great sized fridge. Ooh, there's even a Red Bull back there. Really cool part about this too is you have this counter space right here that can act as a desk with this ottoman there. So you've got your nice big couch and then this really cool L-shaped dinette. I really like this. Very functional. As we come through, you'll see lots of windows. Very nice washroom. And then the bedroom. This is again in a Transcend. Look at this bedroom. It is fantastic. Huge king size bed, lots of counter space, and a massive closet. Something new to this space that is really beneficial and is gonna help out a lot. You even have more covered space over here. Once again, very excited about this floor plan.